Welcome back to another video of Makwala Agri. Before we go far in this video, you guys don't really like my content because you don't like my videos. Please like this video before we go far. And yeah, I've shared a lot of content about good side of farming, how nice it was, how we grow chickens and everything. What I'm facing with today is something that actually is breaking my heart. I'm kind of sad as I'm someone who likes sharing information about farming. Today I'm gonna share the best side of what I'm facing. It's only about 4 days since I placed the chickens that I want to talk about in, and yeah, I want to share with you the best side of what's happening now in my chicken house. So over here I just found about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mortality. My chicks are about 4 days today. I collected them on Friday, so it's about that's 3 days. They only have 3 days inside my chicken house, and ultimately I found 5 now. It's around 3 in the afternoon, so I only find 5 mortality. And in the morning we found 4 mortality. So only today we lost 9 chickens in a day so far. So I was not gonna document this cycle. I was never gonna share it because I've shared a lot of information, I've shared a lot of stories about farming, but because of this is happening and we're losing so many chickens in a day, I need to share this. I'm gonna share it with you. I bought this where I always buy my chicks. Yeah, but I'm losing a lot of chickens, but I'll try and speak to other farmers that actually buy from the same supply that I buy and find out from them how is the experience and how they have been doing. The previous cycle before this one, I lost about 50 chickens as well. So yeah, I'm sad today and I'm here to share the bad side of farming. So far we have lost about, because a day before, which is yesterday, we found 2, and then today we found 9 so far, because it is still in the afternoon around 3 a.m. when I'm shooting this video. 3 p.m. sorry. And then on the day that we collected our chicks, we had 1 mortality. So 1 plus 2, which is 3, plus 4, which is 7, plus 5, which is 12. We lost 12 chickens, or 12 chicks in less than 4 days. In less than 4 days. Everything I've been doing the same. The house has been resting for about a month. I really don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I've done something wrong on my side, but backtracking whatever things that I do, I haven't seen or I haven't found any bad thing that I've done. But yeah, this is the bad side of farming. When we say that farming it will kill you, this is what we mean, guys. Humble you farming. I'm humble today. I'm not the active Makwala that you know now. This is what I'm facing now. Come through inside the house and see what we have. So this is our chickens. They're only about 4 days since they came in now. I've switched off the light because it is hot in here, but I'll try to switch it on. If you can look at the thermometer, it's around 31 degrees going to 32, which is the correct temperature for our chicks. It should be around 32 degrees. And I'm just gonna switch on the light, not because we need it, but because it is hot. No, because you guys can see, but I just wanted to show you what's going on. And this is my chickens. And also look, I have another one here which looks bad. I hope you can see it over here. This one, not active at all, looks bad. Also this one, not active at all, looks bad. So we have a couple of chickens that I see so far that really looks bad. And yeah, it's bad, guys. It's bad. This is one of those cycles that I just wanted to share with you, the experience that I'm having, because most of the time what we share as farmers is the good things that we do, is when we sell, it's the good crop that we have in, the good pictures that we take in our chicken houses and our crops. But yeah, this is what I have right now in my chicken house. I'm just gonna switch off the light because the temperature is high in here. I even opened my side just to allow ventilation to happen because the temperature it's good. So yeah, this is my chickens. I'll just switch on the flight on our phone. Let's check what's going on here. And looking at this one as well, it looks bad. It's not active. It should run like the others. But yeah, that's all we have for you today on Mobile Agri. So this is day 4. I'm starting to record today. And remember what I said, so far we have lost about 12 chickens in less than 4 days. So I'm going to document this cycle. I was never going to document it, but because of this high mortality that I'm having, I feel like I need to share it with you. They're drinking pure water now because they were drinking stress pack. I took the stress pack out and then I gave them pure water. I thought maybe it's because of the stress pack. I don't know. I'm just assuming everything that I do now. But yeah, let's see how they're coping in the next few days. But this one over here, if you can see it, this one over here, it won't make it as well. I can tell from what I see how it's moving that it won't make it as well. But I will tell you what are other farmers saying about the chickens, because with some we collected in the same day. I'll just give them a call and check what's going on. But I really need to take that one out. It's not good. Guys, this is an update. Yeah, it's really bad. We just found 2 now. It's around 6 now in the afternoon. Remember, around 3 we found 5. In the morning we found 4. Now we just found 2. So which means that for today we have 11 in total mortality of our chicken. And then from yesterday, which it was 2, and the other day, which was 1. So we have about 15 now of our total mortality. No, just not 15. Yeah, I think it's 15. I'll check. But yeah, this is what we just found now, and it's really sad. So I'm gonna do an everyday update of our chickens from today. So from me, Mapala Agri, I'm signing out for the today. This video, it's all about our chicken that are dying in high number today. So let me just try and open them inside and check if there's nothing that I can see that is suspicious. So now it's gonna be our date update. It looks like water barely, but it's hard to tell because they're still young. But yeah, we just keep on trying to update you guys on what's going on. But I don't see any yellow thing here. Let me check this one as well. No, there's nothing suspicious that's just showing from our chicken. There's nothing that I can see and tell you what it is. But yeah, it's bad, guys. This is the situation that we're dealing with in our chicken house. It's still warm, maybe inside. I think it just lost its life about an hour, 30 minutes ago. It's still very hot. So this is what we have at Makwal Agri. This is the kind of crisis that we're facing right now currently. So guys, I will keep on updating every day about this cycle or what's gonna be happening in the next few days, which is what we are left with 40 days to sell, if not 30 days to sell. Forgot after how many days are we gonna be selling. But yeah,
this is our update, and this is today's update. We had a total loss of 11.